Viewers and subscribers, yo, watch, I want to watch a video, you know, and learn from the video and see where this digital thing are come from, you know, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, because if Kenya are pull out from America, then people are spending more money. Africa are spending more money with viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, for real. You see me? US them know about money from all of these countries we are pulled from them. You see me, I say? Them money, them currency are drop. You see me, I say? Low. I don't know how comes our prime minister or our country still a deal with America, you know, with certain people. We cut them off and start deal with Africa. Because they say everybody are go. You understand what I say? People, please subscribe and like and share and tell me what you think in the comment section. Yeah, man.
I am giving you free advice that those of you who are holding dollars, you surely might go into losses. Do what you must do because this market is going to be different in a couple of weeks.
In a shocking announcement today, the president of Kenya, William Ruto, has urged his citizens to get rid of any US dollars they may be holding. According to Ruto, the dollar will soon be worthless. This announcement gives credibility to a rumor that has been circulating for over a year, that 142 countries around the world have secretly agreed to Operation Sandman, which will put the US dollar to sleep by having all countries repudiate the currency on the same day. Countries around the world began planning this when they witnessed the then Democrat-controlled US Congress go on a spending spree of several $trillion in omnibus bills. If countries around the world repudiate the dollar as payment for goods in trade, then they would halt providing manufactured goods or raw materials unless paid in some currency other than dollars, leaving the US unable to restock. What do you guys think about it? Follow NFT Premier for more updates.
When you hear that Jamaica, independent Jamaica, has a black prime minister, you say, well, those people are in power. That's black power. But that's baloney. That is hogwash. That's a damn lie.
How can you be sitting there telling me that you care? That you care?